around. The whole world's coming together now. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel it in the air. The wind is taking it everywhere.
What's your favourite thing about today?
I loved creating the lyrics I spat on the beat.
Can you feel it?
Hello, what's your name?
Vegan.
What was your favourite thing about today?
Singing.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
And what did you learn?
How to put a song together.
Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Do you feel me? They ain't had a million years. Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Feel it, these kids need our prayers. Do you feel me? They ain't had a million years. Sick, scared, lost and broke. All facts, bro, I seen their tears. Give your time so they know you're dead. Their belly's empty, so fill their plates. Their family's broken, so we must pray. Just a little time off your day, just a little bigger movement for a brighter day, to help them see those brighter days. Still smiling off for the things we've done, so be thankful.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? If you look around, if you look around, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Raising money for those kids, looking out, we need to forgive, staying hopeful while we live, life's more giving when you give, live it, like it, live it, staying positive is how we do it, it's a feeling, can you feel it, 'cause I can feel it too.
Give your money to the children. The need is high, the need is now. Love them, support them, love them, support them. Make them feel right.
Thinking about the yellow bear, colour red, no need to stare, no need to stare.
We'd like to present to you a £100 gift card for Argos.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?